right, here we go. Treasure Island. We're just gonna go in the front where they drop everyone off. Robert, do you feel like you've been to Treasure Island? I haven't, right? I don't think I have.
Never been here before.
We've never been. So you've never been here either? All right, so this is new for both of us.
First time. I never even saw the show that had the live info.
And if I had to give him money every time I called it Treasure Planet instead of Treasure Island, he would be a millionaire. Oh, and they got some Lunar New Year decorations too. Alright, so as soon as we walk in here, they have these old-fashioned slot machines. I'm saying this is John Wayne. Robert's not 100% positive. I'm 100% positive that is John Wayne. So, pretty cool. So they have a lot of these older ones at the Mob Museum. It's cool that they have two here. Very nice.
I don't know.
Alright, so this derby, this is our favorite game. It's also here at Treasure Island. So that's the fourth casino today that we've seen it at, which is just odd because when we were here in December, we just couldn't find it anywhere except the Bellagio. So it's pretty cool. It's fun. But now we're on the hunt for blackjack because Robert wants to play blackjack. All right, so we're outside of Treasure Island. We walked around, looked at the blackjack machines, played a little bit, but now we're looking at this ship. They no longer do a show on it. It's too bad. Alright, so we decided we're on the opposite side from what we were walking earlier. This is the fashion mall right here, or fashion show, fashion mall, whatever. We're gonna walk through the wind to get to the Encore, just because it's still early. It's only like 8:45. We're not ready to go back to the room yet. And so we're just gonna walk through the wind on the way to the Encore. So it's weird because at Treasure Island there was tons of people and down here there's no one. So, you know what I mean, Robert? There's no one walking.
No.
And that's another reason I want to walk through the hotel, because there is safety in numbers. And I felt 90% safe walking this strip. But there was a lot of homeless people we passed, and I don't mind, like, not just people in general. I don't mind walking when there's a lot of people around, but I'm pretty sure that whole area, the next mile, there's no one around. So I will go inside the hotel instead of walking this strip. Just me being extra cautious. Plus I like the wind. I want to do some stuff. So it is possible to walk the strip on the street down there, but I'm choosing not to. Alright, I was going to try to show you this view, but with the lights on, all you can see is the mirror image of our room. So, another good day. So we're only staying 2 nights. This is our second night. Tomorrow our flight leaves like at 1. There is no flight delays. Remember, there's a snowstorm going around, but it should not affect us getting home tomorrow. So yes, we really enjoy the Encore. I don't know if I mentioned price in the beginning. This room normally goes for $435 right now this time of year. Prices fluctuate throughout the year. And originally our room was free, and so we paid $65 for an upgrade. So we basically paid $65 for this room, which normally retails for $435. So quite the good deal. And yeah, we enjoyed it. Would I stay here again? No. But I'd recommend it. It is a very nice hotel. Everyone has been super nice. It's just at the end of, kind of the end of the strip, and I don't really want to say anything bad about it. I really enjoyed it. Once was enough for us. So far, out of all the hotels we've stayed at, the only one I would repeat at the moment is Bellagio. This view is amazing. And this was a really great trip. So, yeah, definitely recommend the Encore. So earlier I mentioned that, I have not heard any noises. I'm a pretty sound sleeper. Robert did say that he did hear people banging doors at 2 a.m. That woke him up. It didn't wake me up. So I guess it just depends if you're a light sleeper or not. All right, so this, that's the interstate or whatever road it is. Like, it's the first time I've seen it with barely any traffic. Usually this is like bumper to bumper traffic right here. So whatever road that is, and it's Wednesday at 10 p.m. And then I can hear an airplane. Are we gonna see it? Can you hear that? I think it's because I'm only close to the window. I have not heard airplanes laying in bed. So noise-wise, this is a really quiet hotel. Well, this section, I think because we're so high up, there are, like, I think rooms 1 through 30, people can hear the nightclubs. So if you don't want to hear the nightclubs and you stay here, definitely make sure you're above level 36. That's all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.